In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a digital card from Bank of America. Understanding how to manage and utilize a digital card can be incredibly useful for secure transactions, whether online or in stores. So let's dive into it. First things first, begin by launching the Bank of America mobile banking app on your smartphone. Once you've opened the app, log in with your online ID and passcode. If you haven't set this up already, follow the prompts to create your credentials. This is crucial for accessing your account securely. When you're logged in, look for the Accounts tab on the home screen. Tap on it to view your accounts, then select your credit card or debit card account. If you're eligible, you'll see a banner indicating that your digital card is ready. This banner is your green light to access the digital features available with your card. To get access to your digital card details, tap on either View My Card or Use Digital Card. By doing this, you'll have access to essential information like your digital card number, CVV, and expiration date. This information is crucial as it allows you to use your card for online purchases just as you would with a physical card. A helpful tip here is to use these details just like your normal card information to streamline your online buying process. Once you have your card details sorted, it's time to add your card to your mobile wallet. This is a seamless way to enable contactless payments. Depending on your device, tap Add to Apple Pay, Add to Google Pay, or Add to Samsung Pay. The app will guide you through the process with prompts to ensure your card is properly linked. This step is key for preparing your phone for contactless tap-to-pay transactions, making your shopping experience quicker and more convenient. Now you're all set to make a purchase. You can use your phone to pay at any store that accepts contactless payments. Just look for the universal contactless symbol at checkout, and you're good to go. For online transactions, simply copy and paste your digital card details at the payment stage. This will keep your purchases safe and secure without the need for a physical card. After making purchases, you can easily manage and track your transactions using the Bank of America app. Head back into the app whenever you need to and look into your pending and posted transactions. You can also lock or unlock your card for added security, or if necessary, use the app to request a physical card replacement. And there you have it, a complete guide to using your digital card from Bank of America. This tool is handy to enhance your payment experience with enhanced security and convenience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy shopping!